front of me is OPPO Find X9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Now scroll again, this time to click on Privacy Controls. And finally get into Permission Manager. Now it's time to pick one of those sections. I will go with cameras, I have to click here. And check out all of your apps under all of those categories. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Then click on one of your apps. Let's go with Instagram and choose one of those options. In my case, camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. Let's go with allow only while using, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Instagram gained access to my device's camera when I'm using it. But most people miss that you can actually pick one of your features only to pick an app you are interested in, like Chrome, and instead of clicking on any of those options, select this tiny text at the bottom, See All Permissions. Then manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!